Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have another subscription to unbox with you. This is Myteabox.ca and it's from Pottersburg, London, Ontario. So it is listed with $24.99 CAD, and I think that translates roughly to about 18 something a month. And this comes with three different types of tea.
Okay, so Melissa has set up the subscription. She gets 3 fresh blends each month. Free shipping, which is good since it is coming from so far away.
Yes.
And a steeper is included in each first box. So this is her first box. So she's expecting that. And they're promoting it as, you know, a good gift idea and a way to support Canadian business. So,
Alright, look at those stamps. That's pretty cool. Alright. So, I'm pretty excited about the steeper because, like I said in my Sips By video, me and Tim drink our tea like it's going out of style, so I love this packaging. It's like the whole thing itself is like an envelope. So, look. Isn't that adorable? Look at that pattern. That's so cute. And then it has this little card. Let you read that.
it says, "Hello there."
How cute is that?
Oh, and it looks personalized.
Yeah.
Hi, Melissa. Welcome to Myteabox.ca. I hope this box brings a feeling of awesomeness into your day. Happy sleeping. Signed,
Ooh.
Alyssa. So she's got a sleepy time variety. So
Okay, which definitely, this excites me. Look how cute that is.
I love
for
that.
you.
Oh my gosh.
And then, oh, it's a heart.
I
Let's
love
see.
that.
I'll let
I
you
will
open
open that. Oh my gosh. I love tea strainers is what I always called them. So,
Yeah,
how cute.
diffuse,
Oh my gosh.
infuser, I think.
Yep.
Tea infuser. That is too cute. The first tea says Springtime in Paris. Sophisticated, lively, and romantic. The ingredients are black tea, green tea, elderberry pieces, yum, currant pieces, hibiscus petals, cranberry pieces, jasmine petals, calendula petals, natural flavors. What's natural flavors? Anyways, then
Dirt.
it says it is the medium caffeine.
Awesome.
And then this shows you kind of what it looks like on the inside. So that's exciting. The next one is English Garden. It says, like taking a deep breath surrounded by beauty. The ingredients are rooibos.
Yeah, it looks like rooibos, rosehip pieces, elderberry pieces, blueberry pieces, lavender, rose petals, and natural flavors. No caffeine.
So, okay. It did come with a page about it, so and
there's the blend on it.
that.
Okay. And the last one should be Arabian Dreams. It says, stroll through the dusky streets of Morocco and the bustling trade centers, marketing sumptuous almonds and spices like cinnamon. Here the flavors interchange with the silkiness of apple, the vigor of rosehip, and creating an experience that is exotic and dreamy. So look at that one. That one's very thick. That one has...
It looks like you can see... It looks like pumpkin seed. Does it have pumpkin seed in it?
It doesn't say pumpkin seed on
What does
here.
it say in there? Bulls, rose hip. Almond pieces. I guess it's almond pieces.
Awesome.
I can't wait to try these.
That one looks like you could eat it.
I think I'm going to open this one and